What's up guys, Darren Vanderveen down here with Sherwood Dodge, and today behind me I have a brand new 2020 Ram 3500 Limited. This vehicle comes equipped with literally everything you could think of. It has your 360 camera, you can tell by the front here. You got your chrome package that comes specific with the Limited. You got your fully usable tow hooks in the front. Now if you come inside here, you do have your boosters here for your towing, and in the mirrors here, you do have your blind spot detection with computer mirrors as well, with your extra mirror on the side there for blind spots. Now if you look right here, it does have keyless entry with your electric running boards. Now if we're making our way to the back, you do have the bed utility group. So you got a spray and bed liner, you got your LED lights on the sides there, and of course your LED in the top there with an extra camera and your third brake light as well. Now if you look right here, you do have your 7 and 4 pin wiring here with your class 5 hitch receiver. And of course on the inside you have your fifth wheel prep as well. Now, if you guys want to follow me inside, I'd like to show you a couple features. Alright guys, now that we're inside the brand new 2020 Ram 3500, I'd like to show you a couple features that I like personally. Now, every truck has its own sound system. This one has the Harman Kardon 19 speaker sound system with the subwoofer in the rear. It delivers such a crisp sound. It's a very nice system. Now if you guys look at the steering wheel here, you do have your adaptive cruise control along with your regular cruise control and your gear select here. It is a heated steering wheel along with heated seats on both sides and vented seats as well with heated seats in the rear. Now if you're looking at the center console here, you do have a 12-inch touchscreen with your lane keep, your traction control. Now of course you got your alternating trailer height. So that means that this vehicle does come equipped with your air suspension support in the rear for extra towing. Of course you got your park alarms here, your tow haul, and of course your engine brake system here. Now looking at the center console, you do have your wireless charging pad, your USB ports for your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Now you have a fully customizable center console with the Limited Special, which the Limited covers. So you do have your cup holders in the front here, along with your change holder here. Now looking in here, you do have an extra USB port here for charging your phone, and going underneath, you do have extra storage as well. Now if you're looking at the roof, you do have a sunroof as well. And the back window is a power sliding rear window with defrost as well. So if you guys have any questions about this beautiful 2020 Ram 3500 Limited, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thank you for your guys' time, and I look forward to talking to you soon.